Every morning I wake up, I notice that there's quite frankly always a booger in my nose and my skin looks like shit. So I drink my coffee and then I scroll on TikTok for about an hour and a half until I'm feeling ready to start my day. Hello, it's me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's my hydro flask. Hello. That's not a light, it's just my halo. Welcome back to the channel. I know I didn't upload last week, but there's always a reason. Honestly, I just felt like there wasn't anything to vlog because I've literally been doing the same thing over and over again. We're in quarantine, but this week I wanted to show you guys some things that I've been doing at home while off camera that I've been really enjoying. Share some updates, take you around town, and by town I mean my house and my new Animal Crossing island. As you can tell, I'm going a little crazy, but that's okay. I put on a real shirt today. Look at that, it has little bows on it. I know I have a big red spot, but look, if I go like this, you can barely tell. I'm honestly surprised I was able to pick it and pop it. Like, I'm kind of impressed with my own capabilities. It's weird because my skin's actually not too bad. I started using a new product. I started using this Shani Darden retinol reform, and oh my God, after one use, you could literally tell a difference. My mom even asked what I was wearing on my face, and I did a lot of research, so knew that people were obsessed with it and people loved it. I talked to Shani Darden on Instagram and I was like, am I crazy that I already see a difference after just one use? And she was like, you're not crazy, there's lactic acid in it, which makes your skin really, really glowy. So I was glowing last night, and then this pimple just decided it was ready to go, and I'm not one to tell him no. If you guys haven't heard me talk about this baby, the Summer Fridays lip balm, the new stuff, the good stuff, the good. Oh my God, it's absolutely incredible. I literally haven't had chapped lips since. I'm pretty sure I said that. You know, I just can't keep track of anything anymore. You can't expect that from me. You already can't expect it from me on a regular basis, so why would you expect it from me during this time? So obviously I've been doing the usual of like working out, getting some fresh air, relaxing. I've started to crack in other ways. I've been taking up some new hobbies, and I'd like to know what hobbies you guys are taking up right now, because honestly, like, the world is my oyster at this point, so comment down below. Also, I think I need to make another coffee because I'm literally falling asleep talking to you guys, and I already made one this morning. Okay, I just did this on Instagram an hour ago, but I actually already need another coffee. So I'm gonna be using this, which is almost gone, but it's really, really yummy, and it has oat milk and cold brew already in it. But then I add a little bit of extra coffee because I don't like it too milky. French vanilla stevia, which is literally the best thing I've ever found in my life. Usually I add collagen, but since I already had that today, I don't need more. The ice machine is gone. Hudson's ice machine for his foot is gone. I mean, not his foot, his leg. Still, there's not a lot of order in this house. There's just people's stuff everywhere at this point, but I have been trying to make an effort, have some flowers, clean up as much as we can, but as you can see, you know, it's not my ideal living situation. I had like a small mental breakdown yesterday of like feeling ugly and feeling like I have no cute Instagrams and blah, 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 like things that don't matter. But you know, you can't have it all. Honestly, it makes a difference. It's like taking care of yourself. One of the first things I've been doing at home, besides breaking out, online shopping on my iPad, and not buying anything, or rarely buying anything. I don't need anything because I'm not going anywhere, but just kind of like daydreaming about it. I just bought the Skims set from Kim Kardashian, and I'm really excited for that to come in. And since I have been laying outside, I might look at some bikinis, probably not buy anything, but I just like recommend, you know, scrolling through. It's like you don't feel bad because no one's buying anything and you're not the only one missing out, but you can still look at pretty things. Maybe that's just me, but I really like finding new shops and like new things and stuff, and I just save them, and then so I do a little bit of online shopping on my pad. I call it my pad. The next thing I recommend doing is doing a DIY candle. This is from Siblings. You probably heard me talk about it on Instagram or the podcast. Totally getting into pottery when quarantine is over, mark my word. And then I just poured in my own little candle mix that they sent me, and it was so fun, even though it was really quick and easy. So it's definitely something you can always do to be sustainable. Now I want to get more into DIY candle making, and I just love it. So I might order a candle kit on Amazon because like that that's where I'm at right now. And then if you look over here, you can see the 2 home decor purchases I made from H&M. These vases were both under like $25, I think, and they're so cute. They're so well made. I didn't know H&M had a home section, and I'm all for a good bargain. And then I've been playing around with clay. I made these like female figures and just made some big booty bitches. I saw a candle on Instagram that looked like this, and I thought it was really cute, and I'm kind of impressed with myself. Like, it's not, you know, groundbreaking. I'm not gonna change careers or anything. But you know, I've been making clay. I'm gonna make some like little dishes later. So all you do is you get air dry clay. Honestly, you just like do stuff with your hands. You can get the little tools, whatever. But it's honestly really, really relaxing, and it's a nice way to unplug. I've also been taking care of myself and my body and my skin. The last time I tanned was the last time you saw me. And in the meantime, to just keep my skin super hydrated, I love, love, love the body serum and the body lotion. Hands down, best purchase ever. Always repurchase. While I'm getting sun and just relaxing and not really seeing anyone, I'm gonna take care of my skin by using no tanner and using these 2 products. We got the stuff in for the upstairs new little workout DIY section that I mentioned to you guys. So let me know if you still wanna see that. I think it'll be very interesting to see if I can pull it off, doing a transformation of a balcony into an at-home gym. It's really, really hot out, and it's getting hotter, so I don't know if this is the best idea, but why not just try it, you know? There's no time like the present. Oh, Ruby, Ruby, Ruby. Okay, now for today's news. Would you believe it? Today's news says there isn't any news. Wow, Tom. He's useless. Ah, yeah, motherfucker. Wow, wow, wow. And whoosh, and we're going, and we're going, and we're going, and we're going. Dish, iron nugget. Some people might be thinking, Lauren, what's the point of this game? Don't ask me. I didn't invent it, and I have no idea. Oh, fuck. Tammy, what do you want? So, as you can tell, I'm really good at Animal Crossing, and there's just always so much to do on this little island. It's called Cutie Island. I'm really bad at fishing, and
that is very true.
It's very true, but I don't understand how I'm supposed to get better.
I don't know, I feel like you should look up tutorials or something on it.
Then I'm taking my gaming to the next level.
Want to do that?
That's spending too much of my time invested in Animal Crossing. So I've been playing Animal Crossing. It's, you know, really just soothing me. It's, you know, time flies when you're on the cross. Time flies when you're on the cross, and not just because the cool kids are doing it, but honestly, it's pretty good. My other thing that I've been doing is obviously my Kindle. I mean, this is just like not new news. I haven't read in like a week, and I started reading The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, and then I finished reading You Are Not Alone, and it was so good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Why are you filming my toes?
I don't know, maybe you'll want to put it in later.
No! I gave myself a mani-pedi. Well, no, I took off all my nail polish because I'm an artist now. So, it was getting in the way of my clay making.
Did you show everyone your art pieces?
Yeah, I did.
I can't wait to see the comments.
So rude. Sorry that you guys are all real artists in this family, and all I'm good at is Animal Crossing and Nintendo, and Kindling.
You didn't even show them much on it.
Well, because there's not much to show. I took a week off of reading. I found new hobbies. I've literally been playing Animal Crossing and making clay. Well, not making clay.
Sculpting.
Sculpting.
Yes.
Mom's making gnocchi.
There's not really much to film. We're not doing much.
We're not doing much. There's not really much to film. Keep feeding me lines. Isn't it nice just like getting out of your room and just going to a different place in your house?
Yeah, it's like, nice seeing you for 10 minutes a day.
Right?
Yeah.
It's like, it's so exciting, like taking a trip down the stairs.
You never know, like, when Lauren's gonna appear.
You never know, like, what's gonna happen once you go downstairs.
You made some appearances.
I finished Money Heist, so now I have some time on my hands. Let's show them the backyard while it's sunny out. Okay, so this is the backyard in the pure sun. How's it look?
You know, it looks pretty good.
This is like a good little like nook. Like this looks very like magazine-esque, even though it's set up for just in case anyone comes over who's torn their ACL. It's really convenient for that. We just happen to have it like this just in case anyone, you know, needs that kind of comfort. No other reason. We just like to really make sure we have something for everyone here. We have a basil plant that is dead or dying, which is for once not my fault. This is my watering can. I'm gonna do a lot of watering. This is my spritzing can for a lot of spritzing. And then this is the chaise that you all saw, but it's actually a fan favorite in this house.
Dogs love it too.
Dogs love it too. This is the at-home gym section right now. Okay.
It's impressive.
thank you. This looked really cute before someone came and sat here.
There's like socks.
Oh yeah, those are my socks from yesterday. I got hot.
Oil, a pencil. Who uses pencils? Is that the new Apple Pencil?
Good one.
That's the OG pencil.
That's the OG pencil.
The first stylus.
Vintage. Oh, just in case too, anyone comes over and just happens to be in recovery from, I don't know, just some type of surgery. Nothing specific or anything, but you know. Nugget! What does this do?
You're not doing it right. Stop, please.
Okay. This is it. This is the crib.
Are you gonna tell them about your plan for that?
Yeah. Plan for this is, what's the plan for this?
You're gonna put a lemon tree in there?
I'm gonna put a lemon tree in there.
Once we refill it with soil.
Once we refill it with soil.
Oh, you're just repeating what I'm saying?
Oh, I finally have a code for Article. This video isn't sponsored, but the podcast is sponsored. And I think you just go to article.com/mood for something.
That was great. That was their...
Do you think they're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm also really excited for when my family leaves because we got all these baskets that are currently being used for... Mom! I want you to go. I'm in trouble. I don't want you to... Mom! Hi, Granny.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
I'm so good. How are you? You're on video.
We're doing good.
Okay. Okay, but back to what I was saying.
Oh yeah, you're done by the way. You're off.
I'm really excited. I'm really excited. So I'm really excited for them to leave because then once we don't have their laundry, we get to use these baskets for like.
Wait, we're leaving?
Just like,
we're going somewhere?
well, not anytime soon, but at some point you're leaving.
I wasn't planning on it.
Oh. I just found out recently that this is actually fake. I was watering them for 2 months. They are not real. So also just in the kitchen, just a little thing we decided to add. This is just a bike that if you happen to just weirdly, randomly, all of a sudden, be recovering from some sort of leg, knee, let's say injury. We want to make our guests feel like they can do anything here. They can recover. They don't have to feel like they're not enough just because they might have something wrong with a leg. And we just want to support their journey on recovery and being better. I mean, no one in the house really uses it. We just like to have it for just in case whoever comes over.
We finally tricked you into doing some exercise.
I exercise.
This is the most you've done.
This is not doing anything for me.
Then turn it up, girl. Do it for 10 more minutes. Tell me then it's not doing anything for you.
I just wish it was a Peloton. You know what I mean? Like get like more like.
All right, upgrade.
Yeah, you know, this is just the usual day in the life. I decided to give my brother the camera. We're just feeling like switching things up here. You know, we're bored.
Say hi.
Close the picture.
That's gonna be the thumbnail.
I think not. I like to mislead people, make them think that I look cute in the thumbnail, and then they click on the video and they see this. Yeah, I think that's the end of our tour.
All right.
I don't know what this turned into, but we're using it. We're doing it. Okay, I gave myself a quick break to go sit in the sun. I have like 50 SPF on, but I just get really red from being hot. It's so hot outside today. I know I'm wearing the same bikini top as last week. So I'm gonna go. I wanted to just give you guys a quick vlog. I know I didn't vlog last week, but I honestly just needed a little break. I also wanted to be respectful of like everything that's going on. And then a lot of you guys said that you actually wanted more vlogs because it was distracting you guys and helping you guys through this time. So I hope this just brightens up your day a little bit per usual. And I hope you're staying safe and healthy. If you want even more content, obviously go listen to the podcast. There's a great new episode up that's also insane. Make sure to follow at Lauren Elizabeth Inc. on Instagram. Check out the blog post. Check out everything available on XLE. I will be back in just a few days with another vlog. Let me know what you guys want below. We're thinking cooking with Lauren potentially. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe, and I will see you guys in just a few days. I love you. I'm dying. Goodbye.